Good evening, guys. Hope you guys are doing all right. This is Mr. Sa here again with you guys. In today's video, we will be learning a little bit about fractions and how we can convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. Now, before going any deeper, first things first, what do we mean by improper fractions? Improper fraction means when the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, let's have 7 over 4. If we take a look at this, we know the number above is the numerator and the number below is the denominator. So whenever we have the numerator, which I'll call it n, when the numerator is more than the denominator, that is equal to improper fraction. Right, guys? So let's now convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. And how we do it is, we do it by long division. If you guys don't know what long division means, long division is just dividing numbers. It's a pretty cool name. Anyway, let's convert this question itself. So what do we do is, we divide 7 with 4 using long division. So let's do that. 7 divided by 4. Now, how many times does 4 go with 7? 4. 1 is 4, 4, 2 is 8. 8 is more than 7, so we cannot do that, so we should keep it at 1. So 4 multiplied by 1 gives us 4. And then we subtract, which gives us 3. So when we divide, we have 3 things. We have, this is what we call quotient, or I'll just use a Q with it. The next one is what we call the remainder. Remainder means when we divide and whatever number is remaining. Alright, guys? And this number that we divide by is called the divisor. This 4 here, we call it the divisor. But guys, so we have 3 things that we have to take into consideration when we convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. So we need quotient, we need remainder, and we need the divisors. Now, there is also a formula when we convert improper fraction to a mixed number. The formula goes like this. So we have quotient, remainder over divisor. Alright, guys, so just remember this. We have Q R over D. So let us use that from this question. What is the quotient? Quotient is 1, so we will put 1 right here. Okay, guys, what is the remainder? The remainder is 3, so we will put 3 on the top. And what is the divisor? The divisor is 4, so we put 4 on the bottom. Alright, guys, so 7 over 4 has been converted to 1 3/4, or in other words, 1 3 over 4. Now let's go to the next question. So let us say I have, let's maybe do a little bit difficult question. Let's say 82 over, let us say 7. 82 over 7. Alright, guys, step number 1, this is for the beginners. If you know your multiplication tables very well, if you know all of that very well, in the next video I'll be teaching you an easier way on how to do this. But of course, this is for the beginners on who don't know how to convert it, and this video is made to teach the students on how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Alright, guys, again, let us start by step number 1. We will divide using long division method. We have 82 divided by 7. Okay guys, again remember we do division normally. 7, 1. Gives us 7. Now 8 minus 7 gives us 1. And we put this 2 down. How many times can 7 go with 12? Again 7, 1 is 7. And 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Okay guys. So we need 3 things in this question. So what do we need? We need our Q, we need our R, and we need our D. Alright guys, very straightforward. So how can we write this? Remember guys, the formula is Q R by D. Okay guys, Q R by D. Our Q is 11. Our R is 5. And our D is 7. Okay guys, so we have converted an improper fraction to a mixed number. Right guys, maybe let's do one more question of this. Let us say we have 297 over 8. Okay guys, step number 1, again we divide it by long division. So we have 297 over 8. Okay, let's do this. So 8, how many times can 8 go? It's 29. 8 times 3 gives us 24. 29 minus 24 gives us 5. Drag this 7 down. How many times can 8 go in? 57. 8 times 7 is 56. 57 minus 56 is 1. Okay guys, again, this is our Q, this is our R, and this is our D. Now, what is the formula again? We have Q R by D. Right guys, Q R by D. Now, what do we have as Q? We got 37. What do we have at R? We got 1. And what do we have at D? We got 8. Okay guys, this is all it will be for today. So in this video you learned on how to convert an improper or an irregular fraction into a mixed number. In the next video I'll be teaching you guys on how to convert a mixed number back into an improper fraction. Alright guys, hope again you guys learned something out of it. If you have any questions, please leave it on the comment below. If you have any topic that you want me to do, please do comment. I will definitely take a look into it. Again, have an amazing evening. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, this is Mr. Sa signing out.